And I think, I don't know if I mentioned it in class or in khutbah, I don't remember where I reminded myself and others. Souls come to know each other as they knew before they came into the wombs of mothers. And when they go in barzakh, good souls meet each other also. Yeah. Bad souls, no. Bad souls don't get that VIP treatment. They're imprisoned by themselves. See why we need to be a good soul? You see why we need to be good human beings? Very, very sad. From the day our soul leaves this body, it suffers the consequences if we're not good. If we don't live a good life, our soul suffers consequences from the time the soul is taken out of the body. It gets the pressure, and it's under severe suffering. If the soul is a good soul, while it lived in this world, in the human body, now that we are here, the soul is taken out very beautifully. Peace, with love. That person whose soul is taken out enjoys that because the person is now going back to Allah. The angel smiles and takes that soul out of that body. Subhanallah. Imagine that, eh? And you can't deny that because that soul was placed into your body before we were born. So if we believe that we got a life and a soul in us, we got to believe it comes out because we have seen that happening. Very simple mathematics. No big philosophy. We believe that we exist. And if you and I don't believe that there is a soul inside of us and there is a life inside of us that was placed inside of us in the womb of our mothers, then you're probably dead right now. You don't have a soul. You don't have a soul. Because you don't believe you're living. You don't believe there is a soul. You don't believe something came into us. And if that soul is not placed into that baby, what happens to that baby? It's born dead. It's born still. It was never a human, it's a human body born, but it's never a person. Because there was not that nafs, that soul, that person in that body or baby in the womb. That's it. Journey, the body from the womb to the grave. The soul from Allah to the womb in this world and travels on. And the angel takes that good body, that good soul with a smile. The soul enjoys that peaceful leaving of the body. Do you remember the Prophet ﷺ says, my brothers and sisters, that this is a very lengthy topic. Time never permits us, astaghfirullah. Never could we ever get enough time. He says, when a person is kind and loving and charitable, Allah makes that soul leaving the body very peaceful when that body dies. The body dies, not the soul. Remember that. When that soul has to leave that body, if that person is a very kind, charitable, loving, nice person, the soul leaves very peaceful from that body and enjoys a very peaceful journey and a peaceful relaxation in barzakh until the qiyamah. The trumpet is blown, and when the trumpet is blown, you got two trumpets that is being blown, and everything is blown away from it. When the first trumpet is blown, everything comes down, all the skyscrapers. And all the living people come down. Everything goes into the earth. Earth becomes flat. And another trumpet is blown, and all the human beings come out. So interesting? And when the human beings come out of the earth, the souls are placed into their body before they come out, so they come out living. That's the mathematics. And that's what we have learned from Quran and Sunnah.